Okay, diesel people, I need your help. Came out this morning, tried to start this old beast. Won't crank. I'm not real used to diesels. I'm learning. It's a 1990 W250. Let me show you what's wrong with it. All right, here we go. What the?
Universal sign for first generation.
Oh, come on. Okay, so that didn't work out. Well, it worked out, but what the? Okay, so it's actually getting cooler around here. It got down to 55, I think. But I've started this truck in 12-degree weather, no problems. So something fishy is happening. I'm out here about 3 hours after it wouldn't start. It's a little bit warmer. What is it? The glow plugs? The heater core? I don't know. It just cranked right up. Stupid. Apparently I've got to fix that lock too, because I have to come through the passenger door now. Either way, I'm freaking late to my pickleball tournament and the old ladies are pissed.